Hi everybody, today I'll be talking about hair transplant. So hair transplant is a universally accepted procedure with the highest success ratio where you want to naturally regrow your lost hair or hair restoration. So I would not necessarily recommend it for patients with active hair loss, but I would always recommend it with patients where you have scalp exposure or when you have a naturally large forehead or when you want to simply restore your lost hair. So both men and women can go for hair transplant provided you have a very good donor. So when I say donor, I mean the hair on the back of your head. Other regions can be considered as donor as well, but this is the most accepted donor area. So when you have good healthy hair follicles in your donor area, you can always opt for hair transplant. So there's a lot of procedures performed for hair transplant, but very few medically approved procedures, and one of them is the sapphire hair transplant. You can go through our Max profile. We have a long list of patients who are very happy with the outcome of the sapphire hair transplant. So this particular hair transplant procedure is done using the sapphire gem tool, where the precision and the success ratio is on a very higher rate. Transplanted hair grows very naturally. It grows very similar to your pre-existing hair, but the texture and the longevity of the transplanted hair is always towards the higher side when you compare it to the pre-existing hair. But to compensate that, you can always go for your platelet-rich plasma, you can go for your GFCs, you can take for your multivitamins. All these help in improving the texture and the life of your pre-existing hair. So this transplanted hair is just like your natural hair. You can cut it, color it, you can even shave it. There's nothing that is going to happen to your transplanted hair. Coming to the safety wise, hair transplant procedure is one of the most safest procedures that can be done, provided you do it in a certified and qualified clinic with a qualified doctor. So please do visit Maxa Clinic, and if you have any more queries, please do ask us. And don't worry, hair transplant is always a good option when you do it at the earliest. Thank you.